Can you change time zone in MetaTrader 5? Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to find out if you can change your time zone on MetaTrader 5. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your MetaTrader 5 account and just make sure that you are logged into the app. Once you are logged in, you can find your navigation bar at the bottom, and you can find your codes, your charts, your trade section, and your history and messages as well. So if you go to the quotes or the chart section, you'll be able to see the horizontal lines at the top left corner. Tap on it. And then from here, you can just head over to settings to see if you can change the time zone. So under the interface option, there is only an option to change your language, table interface, and then choose your default theme. You can change light or dark. But there is no active option to change your time zone. It is because MetaTrader has recently removed this feature in the latest updates. You used to be able to change your time zone and see your trading and charge according to the time zone, but now you cannot do so. But if you want, you could change your phone's entire time settings from your settings. If you go to settings and then open up your date and time settings, just search for date and time. It will show you the settings menu and you can just change it from here. But there is no option to change it directly from MetaTrader 5. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.